My technician, check this out. So right here, this is Infinix, this is Smart 8. So one of my technicians sent this phone to me for repair. Let me show you the problem of the phone before I start working, so that you see the proof. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. So this is the problem of the phone. Error, please plug out charger. So the phone is not charging. Anytime we try to charge the phone keeps showing error. So today I'll show you guys how you can be able to fix it step by step. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Right here you can see that they have already worked on the PCB. You can see that means some technicians have tried their best but still not working. And guys, so without time wasted, let's get started. Welcome guys to my new video. Check this out. My dear technician, like I said before, this phone was sent to me for repair. Check this out. So the problem of this phone is charging error. When you plug charger, the phone shows charging error. Right here you can see that they have already worked on the phone PCB. They try, still not working. My dear technician, to fix this phone, I'll first of all check the NTC. Check this out, let me show you. Right here, this is the battery connector and this is the NTC line straight to these resistors. These are the resistors that resist the power before it's sent straight to the power IC. My dear technician, to fix this issue is very simple. You can see the NTC reading. Let me read normal and also read in reverse. You can see the normal reading 515. The resistance is not bad, it's very good, but the phone is still showing charging error. There are so many methods you can use to fix this. Have in mind that you may try the first method, it's not working, you try second method, it's not working. The method I want to show you now is the ultimate solution. I mean the ultimate, the final solution to this error. You need to remove the IC. Right here you can see I cover the eMMC IC and I want to work on the power IC right now. This is the power IC. This is the power IC. I want to remove the power IC right now. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I want to remove the power IC. Check this out. I will be done. My dear technician, I will be done. Check this out. You have to be serious. Okay? You have to be very careful. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done removing the power IC. Check this out. This is the power IC. I'm done removing the power IC. Check this out. So this IC is the reason why the phone is not charging. There is something wrong. That is why the IC is not detecting. If you want to change the IC, you can change it and the thing will work. But if you don't want to change it, you want to try this method, good. This method will solve the issue for you, okay? I'll be done. My dear technician, just be careful. Be very careful because a small mistake can turn to another thing. Be very careful. My dear technician, I'll be done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. You can see I take my time. I take my time to work customer phone. So take your time to work your customer phone. Take your time to work your customer phone, please. I'm begging you, my dear technician. Take your time to work customer phone. Check this out. Clean it very well. You can see. So the next thing is for you to clean the IC. Clean the IC very well. Just take time and do it. Clean it very well. My dear technician, the next thing is for you to go to Google and download the data sheet of the IC. A lot of us, we don't understand IC. We only know is IC. Right now, you can see I want to short a pin. I want to short one pin with the other pin. My dear technician, if you want to learn more, come to my physical class. I'm going to explain in details for you. So come to my physical class and learn more. Check this out. I want to short it, my dear technician. Just wait. For you to do this is very simple. First of all, get the data sheet of the IC, understand how the IC works, and you're good to go. I don't want to give you details and explanation of this. If you want to learn, come to my physical class, okay? Like I said before, I don't post everything online. So if you want to learn, come and learn. Come and learn. So that is it. Check this out. I will be done. 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 Check this out. You can see the shot. I shot this one with the other one. So right now I want to use my UV curing lamp to cure it. Okay. So let me cure it. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm curing because I want the wire, that small wire that I use, the jumper wire, to stable. I don't want it to shake. That's why I cure it. Okay. I use a UV curing mask and the UV curing lamp to cure it. If you have questions, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing now is for me to reboil the IC. I have to reboil the power IC before I mount it back. Before I put it back to the PCB, just take your time to do it. Make sure you check your work, confirm, check everything, whether it's okay before you apply your solder first. I'll be done. 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 Check this out. Just be careful. You have to be careful. Just take your time to do this, my dear technician. Don't rush. You can see. Check the balls. 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 My dear technician, I love this work. Oh. Hey, I love this work. I love this work. I love this work. Like I used to say, I love this work. I love this work. My dear technician, I love this work, guys. I love this work. I love this work. Check this out. Very clean and neat. Check this out. Very clean and neat. So the next thing is for me to clean it. Let me clean it. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, feel free. let me know in the comment section. So the next thing is for me to mount the IC. No time to waste. I have to mount it and confirm my work. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done. Just apply small flux. Just small. I'll be done. Check this out. My dear technician, I'm happy. So let me mount the IC. Let me mount it. Good. Make sure you set it to. If you don't set it, it will not work. Make sure you set it very well. Take your time and do it. Don't rush. Just take your time and do it. Take your time and do it. You can see I'm taking my time to do it. So take your time to do it. Set it very well. I'll be done. Excellent. Okay. It's set now. I'm done setting. So the next thing now is for me to heat up. I want to heat the IC right now. Let's go. No time to waste. Let's go. I'll be done. You can see I'm heating now. I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done. My dear technician, just wait for me. Check this out. Wow, I'm done. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing is for me to test it and show you guys that it works. It works like magic. You can see how it is. So without time wasted, let's test it and see. My dear technician, check this out. I'm done with it. So this is the phone. You can see this is the PCB. It's still the same PCB. I've not changed it to check it very well. You can see. This is the power IC I was working on. You can see the phone. Okay, so let me connect battery. Let me test it for you guys to see. 1, 2, ready, and then go. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see it's showing charging. Let me see. Wow, check this out. My dear technician is working. Video the smart charger. My dear technician, check. You can see 1.0 amp is charging very, very well. The phone, video me. My dear technician is working 100%. The phone is working very well. Let me unplug. You can see. Let me plug again for you guys to see that it's working perfectly. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Let me plug the battery very well. The technician, check this out. Check this out, it's working. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So this is a Infinix Smart 8. Check this out, is now working. This is a live video, step-by-step process on how you can be able to fix it. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. My name remains Father Joe. Bye for now.